Steve, you've added the Nachi and Techman robot to your already impressive portfolio of products, but how does this product benefit your business?
Well, the pneumatic and hydraulic fixturing that we supply obviously needs to be loaded, and these robots do it efficiently and effectively.
So how would you have provided the customer a solution prior to you having the robots?
It would have been manual handling equipment, which we supply an extensive range of, but it would have been a manual process, yeah.
And in regards to the robots, you've got the Techman and the Nachi. What are the differences?
The Techman is a collaborative robot, which has got a camera on there, so it works at slower speeds and lighter weights, whereas the Nachi is a more industrial robot.
Again, different solutions.
Different robots for different solutions, yeah.
And in regards to interfacing the robots to the machines, but also to your fixtures, how easy is this?
Well, you can see from the examples we've got that it's very simple to integrate them with the machine tools and the robots.
Yeah, I mean, it really complements your range, and I think that you'll be very successful with them. Thank you very much for your time, Steve.
Cheers. Thank you.